So I am using olive oil instead of vegetable or canola oil, and it's always worked out really well. And I use a 1/4 cup of olive oil instead of a 1/3 cup of canola oil or vegetable oil. And believe it or not, I use 1 egg. It doesn't puff up quite as much, but it works out really, really, really well still. And then I've got 1 cup of water. So it's definitely a little less calories than the regular ingredients call for. These are 3 of the ingredients that I threw away because they were gone and I forgot to show you guys what I was using. I also add powdered sugar and a little bit of salt, and then here I'm adding a little bit of hot water just to help it to make it to the consistency that I like. So it's a 6 ingredient frosting, really awesome. It's shelf stable because there's no dairy or butter in it, and you can keep it, you don't have to keep it in the fridge. And it tastes exactly like a buttercream bakery frosting. It is so delicious. It's an absolute indulgence for us when we have a birthday come around. I think you guys are gonna love it.
This is gonna be good cake. Okay, on the edge. Okay, that's enough. Side of the egg.
Beautiful. All right.
I'm super excited about my birthday cake.
Are you? Should we sing you happy birthday?
Yeah.
That's the masterpiece of Slade. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Slade. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow them out. Woohoo! Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Do you want a piece of cake?
I wanted to do more too and sing happy birthday to me again.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's light them again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Slade. Happy birthday to you. Good job, yay!
Time for a piece of cake.
Yep,
My birthday.
it is, huh? How old are you? You're 4, good job. Is that a good cake?
Mm-hmm. Chocolate pink.
Yep, awesome, huh? Mommy's gonna have a piece too. That is the coolest looking birthday cake I've ever seen.
You can have my birthday cake.
I can?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Say hi to Dad.
Hi, Dad. I will see you here.
Yep. Awesome cake, huh?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to